How can I remove a key from a Python dictionary? Is there a one-line way of deleting a key from a dictionary without raising a key error?
To delete a key regardless of whether it is in the dictionary, use the two-argument form of dict.pop. This will return my_dict key if key exists in the dictionary, and none otherwise. If the second parameter is not specified, i.e. my_dict.pop key, and key does not exist, key error is raised. To delete a key that is guaranteed to exist, you can also use. This will raise a key error if the key is not in the dictionary. Specifically to answer, is there a one-line way of doing this? Well, you asked, winky face. You should consider, though, that this way of deleting an object from a dict is not atomic. It is possible that key may be in my_dict during the if statement, but may be deleted before del is executed, in which case del will fail with a key error. Given this, it would be safest to either use dict.pop or something along the lines of. Which, of course, is definitely not a one-liner.
It took me some time to figure out what exactly my_dict.pop key none is doing. So I'll add this as an answer to save others Googling time. Pop key default, if key is in the dictionary, remove it and return its value, else return default. If default is not given and key is not in the dictionary, a key error is raised. Documentation.
You can use a dictionary comprehension to create a new dictionary with that key removed. You can delete by conditions. No error if key doesn't exist.